doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties. In our last room build, many of you were asking for outside scenes using the wood panels we found at the dollar store. And since we make a pool like every year, well, last year we made a beach in a hidden doll room, but this year I want to make a pool inspired by BarbieStyle's Instagram. We are going to need 6 of those wood panels from the DollarTree. This will be going out into the she shed, but we're not going to put it on the bookcases. Instead, we're going to put it in the center where our current Rainbow High pool is, so we can make it a little bigger than our normal rooms. These wooden panels measure 11 by 14 inches. We normally put them side by side like this, but for our pool, we're going to build it like this. Then place 2 more on top, but at the back, creating a step up. This is going to need some support in the back. So I picked up these wood craft cubes. We're gonna glue them onto the top board underneath for extra support. They are actually a tiny bit shorter than what we want, but it should do. This last wall is optional. I just like to close off a scene, so I'm going to glue this other board onto the end. All right, so that's the plan. Take the bottom 2 boards and let's paint them turquoise. It's like a really pretty blue. I only worry about painting the parts that will be visible. These are for the next level up. I'm painting the sides dark gray. I am straying from the inspiration photo a little, but you know, it has to match the she shed. Then our last 2 boards, let's mix together a little orange, light magenta, and white. Stir. Then I added a little baking soda for some texture, then paint the wall. I'm very generous with the paint, and I'm not trying to be smooth with it at all. This color might be a little much. Let's add more white paint and baking soda, then smooth it on. Oh yeah, that's better. I am loving this texture. We did something similar in one of our Disney Descendants crafts. There is a lot of paint here, so we're gonna give it some time to dry. While waiting, let's glue the floor together. I have the turquoise piece on the bottom, which is our water, and the top piece is the ground surrounding the pool. I was going to put a piece of foam board on top, but now I'm thinking, let's not even worry about the foam board. And paint the top white. I was going to use the foam board to try to carve out lines, but I think we can just paint them. Let's add a little gray. I let it dry, then use tape to mask off an area so we can paint a line. I remove the tape and add a little shading to finish the floor. Let's put the side wall in place and make a small mark on the edge. Then cut foam board. I cut a 4-inch piece, 1.5, and 2-inch piece. On the 2-inch piece, I place the ruler every 1.5 inches and draw a line. I'm using a pencil and I'm really pressing down into that foam so that leaves an impression. Then I glue the 1.5-inch piece onto the back, about 1/2 inch from the top. Glue a small piece on the end, glue the 4-inch piece onto the back, paint it. Then I go back and darken those lines, glue it onto the wood panel, then glue the pink wall onto the side. Repeat to make 2, so when we push them together, we have 1 large space. I picked up some white rocks and succulents at the Dollar Tree. We have a little recess here, and I'm gonna glue the rocks into that space. Then glue in the succulents along the whole back wall. I made sure to put a larger plant in the center to try to cover that seam. Let's use a few of those sticker tiles from the Dollar Tree to decorate the end of the panel. On Barbie's Instagram, it was blue, but you know, artistic liberties and all. I take the turquoise boards we painted earlier and glue them underneath. Take those wood craft cubes and glue them in the back underneath. Take clear plastic from packaging and cut a long piece to lay on the turquoise paint. So our water is nice and shiny, and our pool is pretty much done. All we have to do now is place a poster behind it. I like using one with a few palm trees to create an outside feel. Take a drink floaty and place it over the seam. I really want those white lounge chairs from the DollarTree, but I drove around to 4 stores and I still couldn't find them. So I'm just gonna use one of the chairs that we made in a video a long time ago, our DIY how to make doll pool lounge chair video. I make a quick cushion by taking a piece of felt, then cover it with fabric. I'm just gonna glue this around the back, trying to be as neat as possible to make a quick no-sew cushion to place on the lounge chair. I'm gonna add this little mini table. It's from Michael's. I know it's not from the DollarTree, but it's just too cute. It's from the DIY Modern Minis collection. Add the gold tote bag we made in a previous Dollar Store Crafts video, and Barbie's dog. Dress dolls in our dollar store bathing suits to finish the look. This looks pretty similar to the Fun Boy Barbie Dream Collection post, except these aren't Fun Boy products. But I love the way the water turned out, and it was very simple and we didn't use any scrapbook paper. I finally found a way to use those tiles. Overall, I'm kind of loving it. Since this is 2 separate pieces, you can always choose to use just one if you need to save a little more space. Thank you for joining us while we made a pool for our dolls inspired by Barbie Style Instagram, using a few things we found at the DollarTree. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.